Ang lakas makaglow and fresh ng skin ng Saludent Facial Whitening Skincare Set. May kasama na itong nicotinamide and silk essence soap. Ito yung first step para ma-freshen up yung ating skin. May kasama na rin itong niacinamide with sodium hyaluronate brightening toner. It will help nourish our skin and brightens our complexion. Apply proper amount of toner to palm and evenly apply to face. Ang susunod natin gagamitin ay yung niacinamide with Vitamin C Ampule Serum. Nakakatulong ito para mag-glow at mag-lighten yung ating skin. Just apply appropriate amount of serum on palm and evenly smear on the face. Gently massage until completely absorbed. Next step is yung Saludent Whitening and Firming Cream. Take an appropriate amount of cream and evenly apply it all over the face. Rejuvenating and whitening set na to. Ilalagay ko yung link ng Saludent Facial Whitening Skincare Set sa aking yellow basket para matry nyo na rin ang aking favorite skincare. Ang ganda talaga ng Saludent Facial Whitening Skincare Set.